everything about it's great. The current owner that, or the owner that is getting rid of it, put the original tires on it, the remake of the original tires. He had the air conditioning service, clutch gone through. The entire car's been serviced. It's in really, really beautiful condition. There's photos and documentation of everything, and we'll go through these in a video later. The car runs and drives great. It is, I'm not sure what year the last year the carbureted was, but I think it's one of the last years of the carbureted Ferraris, so, or the 308s. We did have the car underneath dry iced. It was really in good condition, so there wasn't a lot that needed to be done on it. But yeah, so Sophie, if you want to jump in and we will do a quick cold start. I'm gonna put my hand down on the exhaust. There is this insulation on it, so there is that. And we also say that here in Florida, that the cars are not ice cold because the temperature here is, today it's about 98 degrees and the heat index is like 100 and it's hot here. It's been cold. It's been sitting in our shop with some other older cars that we're listing on Bring a Trailer. And so yeah, Sophie, if you want to go ahead and start it up, that'd be great. No warning lights on. You can see it's got originally 50,333 miles. Sophie has the choke out just a little bit. Why don't you push that in just towards the D? There you go, right there. So as it warms up, we'll continue to move the choke in. Great oil pressure. Looks like if you're doing a test drive today, we're going to need to get some fuel. Oil temperature. Hey, the e-brakes. Yeah, pull the button on the e-brake. There you go. What an unbelievable car. And it's got air conditioning.
It does.
Yes.
It works great too.
You can push the choke in just a little bit. Excited to go for a drive?
Very excited. Let's go.
Got your hat to match.
I do.
Apparently these are the factory remake tires. Has brand new exhaust on it. So yeah. Alrighty, have fun.